Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the Google Forms basics you need to know to create a form. So here's where you can sort of insert the title. For instance, you're doing a survey and you want to insert the title here. Just write down survey and it's going to be the title of the file too, like the name of the file. And here's where you can ask questions, and then you can also change the theme of the form. So press customize theme. You can add in an image, like choose an image for the header, but I'm not going to do that. You can add a theme color to maybe like a pink one, because I like the color pink. Press add, and it's going to make the theme of your form pink. And you can also choose between these like background colors, and then you can also choose a font style. There's basic, decorative, formal, and playful. And these are basically some, also, sorry, to send a form, just press send, and you can send via email or via link. Just copy it and send it to whoever you want to send the form to. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!